Hello, my name is Dara, and this is my science lab. Today I will talk about recording sound and music.
Recording sound and music, that should be very interesting.
Many years ago, there were no recording devices. How these people listen to music. Someone played it for them.
So it was a live performance or someone played it for them?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So that was the only way that time, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go over your presentation to see what was the very first recording device?
The first device player.
Was a record player?
Yeah.
And what? Record player and
Vinyl
disc
and little diamond.
needle with diamond tip. Do you have those in your science lab?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What is
here diamond tip.
and that's 45 you have, and 33, two different sizes, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Do you have a record player here to show it to us?
Yeah.
Can you play it?
Mm-hmm. Here and then.
Oh, thank you, Dara. So what came after the record player, Dara?
Cassette player.
Cassette player? Cassette player has what?
It's magnetic tape and a head.
And magnetic head? Do you have those in science lab?
Yes, I do.
Oh, you got them. Okay, so which one is a magnetic tape, Dara? Head and magnetic tape?
Yes.
So the magnetic tape was running in front of the magnetic head. Do you have one of these cassette players here?
Yeah.
Can you please turn it on?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you. So what came after cassette player?
CD compact disc.
CD compact disc, which it had what?
Little red and blue light.
It had a plastic disc
Yeah.
and laser.
Little red and blue light.
Okay, with a red and a blue colors. Do you have those in your science lab?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Here. To be neat. To be neat.
Can you explain which one? What do you have in there? You have a CD.
CD.
Okay, you have two CDs here, and that one is CD drive.
Yes.
Does your CD drive has a laser? Where is the laser? That's the laser. Oh, can you put one of these CDs in your CD drive to see how does it fit in there? And okay, do you have a red laser in your science lab? Can you show it to us?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a red laser. That's how the CD player works, right?
Yeah.
That's good. Great. Thank you. How about, do you have any CD player here? Can you turn it on, open it, open the tray and see how you can... Oh, so that's a CD player. What came after the CD player, Dara?
MP3,
MP3,
iPod player,
iPod player, and
memory, hard drive, usually away.
and electric circuits to read them. Let's see what you have here.
Oh, there's an SD card.
Oh, SD card. Circuit.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's great. Let's see what's next.
Next is hard drive.
Oh, hard drive of your computer.
Yeah.
Great. Next.
This is an MP3 player.
That's MP3. Okay, you got MP3. What else do you have?
Next is a memory stick.
Oh, that's flash memory.
And this is my voice. Perfect.
Is that iPod?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the iPod. So that's how these days we store music and sound, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all digital. Perfect, perfect. Thank you, Dara.
Thanks for watching. Please click on like and subscribe.